the edge of the shingle. I'm gonna have to pull this one out. Pull two scores. All right. Press the bond. Be careful not to go over 45 degrees. Okay, for demonstration purposes, that's about 45 degrees. The current nail right there. Okay, that's about 45 degrees. Current nail is right there. So that's giving me about a 1 inch. At 45 degrees, I've got about a 1 inch target nail zone. Otherwise, I'm getting outside the exposure here. Right now, I'm just looking for where the nails are. The Master Shingle Applicator Manual says in a repair to lift the shingle high enough necessary to drive and nail flush. However, I'm trying to adhere in a P State Farm, but not going over 45 degrees. Nail missing on that one. Alright, I just tore through this one, trying to get the nail out. And again, this process that I'm using to pull these nails out is according to the Master Shingle Applicator Manual. It says to go from under the shingle, pop the nail up, press the shingle down, and then remove the nail. In that process, I tore through here. I think I've got all the nails. Now, this is a temporary repair. Simply because I'm using a damaged shingle to begin with. But, let's see. Okay. Being careful not to go over 45 degrees. I've got to be able to drive a nail flush. I've got marks here on my hammer. I need to go about that high to maintain 45 degrees. So that leaves me a short little window to stay inside the unexposed portion and also not hit that on the downswing. That nail's got to be flush. Got lucky on that one. Okay, that's a non-flush nail. Pull that, redo it. All right. Okay, it's in there, but as you can see, I don't know if you can get up close to that. That nail is not flush. It's an improper nail set. I can't really pull that out without causing more damage. There we go again. It's going in sideways. Master Shingle Applicator says to lift the tab up high enough necessary to drive a nail flush. Not being able to go 45 degrees, over 45 degrees in this case is preventing me from driving it flush. I got lucky there, but I'm real close to being exposed there. But that is a flush nail set. Okay, we got another nail not set properly. Try not to go over that 45 degrees. Again, unproperly set, and it's outside the exposed area. Oh, here, it's in the exposed zone. Alright, it's exposed, and it's improperly set. It's at an angle. I'll have to put some caulk on that or whatever. It's an improper nail set trying to adhere to that 45 degrees, which is outside of the Master Shingle Applicator way of doing it. I'm inside the nail strip, but I have another improperly set fastener. It's at an angle. That needs to be set flush to be proper. Alright, it's in there, but again, it's not set flush. It's an improperly set fastener. It's just what I have to do for this particular circumstance here. Got lucky on that one. Again, we've got an improperly set fastener trying to adhere to that 45 degrees in an attempt to avoid over-creasing the shingle. That goes against the Master Shingle Applicator process, but again, I'm trying to appease. Same thing. Improperly set fastener. It is in the nail zone though. That's gonna have to do for now. I don't want to put holes in that shingle. All right, I think we got all our fasteners in there. Missing one right there. All right, I'm in there. It's set a little bit better, but it's still at an angle. It's not flush. Both of these, the majority of these nails are improperly set fasteners according to the Master Shingle Applicator Manual. All right, now if you look here, I can't damage any other shingle that hasn't been moved with my hands. This one I can bend way over 45, way over 90, way over 160, as many times as I want. This is a young, malleable, repairable shingle here. I can't damage it. Even at 45 degrees, we are getting creases here, here, and here. I should not be able to do that with my bare hands. I can't do it here, here, or anywhere else. But even bending that at 45 degrees, it's still too brittle. This is a young, repairable shingle. This is an old, brittle, non-repairable shingle. Never mind the fact that it's causing creases even at 45 degrees. Not being able to go above 45 degrees angle is not allowing me to install or do the repair properly according to certain Master Shingle Applicator Manual.